In this video, we will try to review and test Auger drill bits. Let's start with a short introduction. I've been interested in gardening to grow a few edible plants. I've been using a hori-hori trowel to dig the soil. A hori-hori trowel is a hand tool that looks like the design is in between a knife and a common gardening trowel. Using the trowel is a manual process. It requires more work in order to make larger holes or break into the soil with smaller pieces. As seen, this method will work fine if planting in low numbers. Since I was trying to plant and dig many holes at a time, I was interested in trying to use an auger drill bit. Here are two auger drill bits. The first is a 2.75 inch by 24 inch planting auger. This is what was in stock at the local hardware store. The drill bit is designed to work with most power drills. The total length of the drill bit is 24 inches or 60.96 centimeters. This drill bit will create holes 2.75 inches or 6.985 centimeters. Overall, I think that this drill bit is a good value for the price, and I would consider this an entry-level option. It has no problem digging holes in soil without roots or rocks. The next auger is the Power Planter Auger drill bit. The Power Planter drill bit is designed to work with stronger power drills. If they are cordless, this means that they would likely be 18 volts or greater. The total length of the drill bit is 24 inches or 60.96 centimeters. The Power Planter Auger will create holes 3 inches or 7.62 centimeters. As seen, the Power Planter is a larger and heavier auger drill bit. In my opinion, the large mass of the auger actually helps it to break through the soil much easier. When in use, I have the drill on the slow speed setting while the clutch setting is the highest. Here are other ways that I have used the Power Planter Auger with the hori-hori trowel. One way is where the auger is used to dig a hole much like the first time. Once the hole is dug, if there were a plant or seed, I would drop it in before using the trowel. I would then use the trowel around the edge of the dirt on the surface to weed around the area and scoop the dirt back into the hole. Here is the most common way I would use the Power Planter Auger with the trowel. I start again by digging the hole. Once the hole is dug, I rotate the auger in the hole to make it wider. I do this because I think the wider hole means more volume of the soil is now loose. This should help the roots of a small garden plant to spread out more easily. This method also takes advantage of the 24-inch length of the drill bit. Another advantage of the long length is the ability to dig deep holes while having more distance between your hands and the drill bit. Although the price is higher, the Power Planter Auger drill bit is a great value for extended use. The Power Planter is for anyone who will be continuously digging multiple holes for small garden plants. The auger is also good to help loosen up a small area of compacted soil. If you have auger drill bits, let us know down below which one you prefer and why. Thank you for watching.